Touch your tummy. Touch your knees. Touch your back. Touch your feet. Touch your knees. Touch your feet. Touch your knees. Touch your head. Touch your ears. Touch your head. Spell head.
Good morning, teacher and everybody. Today we are going to present part of body. Here, eyebrow, finger, chest, finger, shoulder.
Vase.
Where?
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Violin.
Violin.
Key. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Woo!
Ball, book, bird.
Underwear.
U-turn. Umbrella. Good. Good girl. Square. Good girl. Good.
Hello guys, so today we are going to present movement or speed pick. So we have balloon, straw, plastic cap and plastic bottle. Thank you. Hello. Today we are presenting a truck named Monster Truck. And we are in pink team. All we need is a balloon, straw, bottle, and wheel. Thank you.
Good morning, teacher and everybody. Today we are going to be talking about car air power. So we are going to make a car air power. The car base is gonna be made out of a water bottle, and we are gonna put the water bottle cap onto making it the wheel, and then we are gonna add the balloon for it to go fast. And lastly, we are gonna put the straw to the balloon so we can blow the balloon. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Hello, my name is Brave. Today I will present this car. Its name is Cool Car Prevent Flight 69. It has balloon, straw, bottle, and wheel. The wheel is made from water bottle caps. Thank you.
3, 2, 1
Hello. Today we will present bottle car. Our object is 1. Bottle, 2. Wheel, 3. Balloon. These balloons to do the car power, and we have the balloon to do the car, and we have a wheel. Thank you.